The United States owes over $38 trillion, the highest level in its history. Europe carries around $14 trillion, Japan nearly $9 trillion. Even oil-rich nations and export powerhouses carry enormous obligations. But the real question isn't how much debt exists. The real question is this: if everyone owes money, who exactly is being paid? Welcome to the Financial Historian, where money, power, and history collide. Because debt isn't just a burden, it's the architecture of the modern world. Every war, every financial crisis, every boom and every collapse rests on this invisible framework. Follow the chain of creditors long enough, and you discover something unsettling. The world doesn't owe money to anyone in particular. It owes it to itself, but the benefits are far from equal. Today, global debt exceeds $315 trillion, nearly 3 times the size of the world economy. This system didn't begin on Wall Street. It began on the battlefield. In 1694, England was at war with France, and running out of gold. The crown turned to merchants for survival. They provided funding in exchange for permanent interest payments, backed by future taxes. To manage this deal, the Bank of England was created. It was revolutionary. For the first time, a government could spend money it didn't yet have. In return, lenders received something priceless: a government promise that could be traded, bought and sold. That promise became the government bond, the seed of the modern financial system. France adopted it. The Netherlands refined it. The United States used it to fund a revolution and expand westward. Debt stopped being a failure. It became credibility. The ability to borrow became the ability to rule. Empires once conquered land to extract gold. Now they issue bonds to extract interest. The battlefield became the balance sheet. 3 centuries later, debt is the world's dominant export. The United States owes